Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's September 28th, 2024, down by the pond site again today. Yesterday I transplanted one tree and one berry bush over there. There is in that berry bush, there's also a black walnut as well. And previously there's all these other small trees that I have planted all around in here. And one of the things I'm going to do today is I'm going to see right over here, I'm going to put another large blueberry bush here. I think it has a couple of dogwoods in this one, if that's the one I'm thinking of as well. And then I'll probably dig up a few currant bushes, some other blueberry bushes, and maybe get those distributed out here as well. So just have as many different varieties of trees and all. And I do have a couple of dogwoods over there that have no soil on them. The roots are really damaged, but I'll stick those in over here someplace as well. So that's my goal for today, to see if I can get a few more trees and bushes down here. We'll see how things work out. Fingers crossed.
In a world that's ever changing, we can make a stand, planting trees together, hand in hand, choosing native species for the land we love, bringing life and beauty from the earth to the skies above. Planting trees, let's make the world a better place, for wildlife, for people, for the human race, with roots deep in the earth and branches reaching high. We'll grow a greener future under nature's sky. Planting trees, let's make the world a better place, for wildlife, for people, for the human race, with roots deep in the earth and branches reaching high. We'll grow a greener future under nature's sky. Trees provide us shelter and shade on sunny days, a home for all the creatures in so many ways. They clean the air we breathe and cool the summer heat. With every tree we plant, the world becomes more sweet. Planting trees, let's make the world a better place, for wildlife, for people, for the human race, with roots deep in the earth and branches reaching high. We'll grow a greener future under nature's sky. Planting trees, let's make the world a better place, for wildlife, for people, for the human race, with roots deep in the earth and branches reaching high. We'll grow a greener future under nature's sky. Fruit for our tables, wood for our homes. Trees give us so much wherever they are grown. Selecting with care the right ones for our land, tending to their needs with a gentle hand. From acorns to oaks, from saplings to giants, each tree a testament to our hopeful defiance against the tides of change that harm our earth so dear. Together we can plant and make the future clear. Planting trees, let's make the world a better place, for wildlife, for people, for the human race, with roots deep in the earth and branches reaching high. We'll grow a greener future under nature's sky. So let's plant a tree today for tomorrow's sake, for the birds, the bees, the rivers and lakes. With love and care we'll watch them rise, a legacy of green beneath the open skies.
In the tapestry of life, we start to see patterns woven, guiding you and me. From the stars above to the earth below, nature's blueprint, it starts to show. From the fractals in a leaf so small to the cycles of the rise and fall, we learn to see, we learn to know. From patterns, details start to grow. Design from patterns, let them lead. In the fields of life, sow the seed. From the broad to the specific view, in nature's dance we find what's true. Design from patterns, find the way. In harmony, where balance stays. In the forest's canopy, a map unfolds. Paths and connections, stories told. Every creature, every tree, a part of nature's symphony. From the rivers winding through the land to the veins upon a leaf so grand, we trace the lines we understand. In the patterns, life is planned. Design from patterns, let them lead. In the fields of life, sow the seed. From the broad to the specific view, in nature's dance we find what's true. Design from patterns, find the way. In harmony, where balance stays. In the rhythm of the season's call, patterns guide us one and all. From the dawn until the night, in the patterns find the light. Design from patterns, let them lead. In the fields of life, sow the seed. From the broad to the specific view, in nature's dance we find what's true. Design from patterns, find the way. In harmony, where balance stays. So we learn and so we grow. In the patterns, let them show. Design from patterns, find the grace in nature's embrace. In the tapestry of life, we start to see patterns woven, guiding you and me.
In the rhythm of the seasons, we find our way, learning lessons from the light of day. In the balance of the earth we stand, guided by the wisdom lent by hand. Every action, every choice we make ripples through the world for our own sake. Listen to the whispers of the land, adjust our ways and understand. Apply self-regulation, keep it true. Accept feedback in all we do. Nature's voice will guide us right through the darkest night to the morning light. Apply self-regulation, take a stand in harmony with the earth, hand in hand. In the garden where we grow our dreams, watch the ebb and flow of nature's streams. We learn to give, we learn to take, every step a chance to innovate. From the soil to the sky above, we find the balance, we find the love. Listening to the signals all around, in the silence, wisdom found. Apply self-regulation, keep it true. Accept feedback in all we do. Nature's voice will guide us right through the darkest night to the morning light. Apply self-regulation, take a stand in harmony with the earth, hand in hand. In the cycles of the moon and sun, we find the truth in everyone. Every challenge, every grace leads us to a better place. Apply self-regulation, keep it true. Accept feedback in all we do. Nature's voice will guide us right through the darkest night to the morning light. Apply self-regulation, take a stand in harmony with the earth, hand in hand. So we journey, ever wise, with open hearts and open eyes. Apply self-regulation, hear the call. In nature's wisdom, we stand tall.
Well, I thought I'd try and end this video with showing what we did get accomplished. We were able to go ahead and get a few more blueberry bushes. Now, some of these have some dogwoods, some small dogwoods in them. The ones that I could tease out, I did tease out. These are the ones we did yesterday. This is the first tree, or the day before yesterday, and that's the blueberry bush over there. Small blueberry bush here. This is one that separated when I was digging them out. Come over here. There's one here, another one here, another one, and another one, and a dogwood in there. The dogwoods are looking a little rough right now. There's a peach there. This I did previously. This is a dogwood here. We'll see how well if these guys do come back in the spring. They're worth a shot. Another dogwood here, and one there. Look pretty rough, but we'll give them a chance, see if they do come back. But trying to get this area squared away as far as getting a bunch of transplants in here. I'd like to be able to do these things later in the fall, but if you watched last year, when we worked in the fall, everything just turned into a big slop, and I was burying all the equipment. So the ground is firm enough now, and so we're getting a lot of the plants out of the first food forest because I packed it too densely initially. I'll do more today, which is the next day as well. So pretty happy with how much we got transplanted down in here. After everything's said and done, I'll bring down some more wood chips to mulch around those bushes and trees. Down here I'll end up, when I'm finished getting the hulk down here, smoothing out some of the stuff, but I'll probably be putting some grass seed in here just to get some ground cover as well. And hopefully that'll work out okay. So today went pretty well, considering. Thank God for having pieces of equipment to get this done. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found it of some value, and we're doing the best we can here in the fall. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.